Hello everyone, quick update, quick update. I've made this small tool which is quite simple and small, and basically you have this window here and you can select some object and then start simulating to simulate the physics is directly in the scene. So let me make a new scene on the fly. So let's create a plane. Then we can create a cube and then simulate, and it will work as it should. And if the object didn't have the rigid body, it will add it on the fly. And also we can clone it, select all, and a mess will happen now. You can set here how much long have to be the simulation. So you can set at 10, but it's useless. It's already ended, so why you should set it at 10. And also I like these things because you can see which object. So yeah, this is it. Can be useful because you know when you are making your scene and you want to place some object at random on the scene, and every time set it is a bit mess. So yeah, this is it. Also it's quite fun to play with. Okay, you can use also Control Z to undo all these things. So have fun. Link in the description. You can find the code, and you have to place it inside a folder called editor. Bye.